Welcome to our channel, where we love to share tech tips and tricks to make your everyday life easier and more efficient. In today's video, we're going to explore a variety of useful tips and tricks that will help you optimize your technology use. From smartphone hacks to productivity apps and online security, we've got you covered. Get ready to level up your tech game and unlock the full potential of your devices. Let's dive in. Smartphone hacks. 1. Share smartphone hacks like using voice commands, gestures, and shortcuts to navigate your device faster and more efficiently. 2. Discuss hidden features, such as one-handed mode, split-screen multitasking, and customization options to enhance your smartphone experience. 3. Showcase useful apps and settings for battery optimization, storage management, and personalization. 2. Productivity apps. 1. Introduce productivity apps that can help you stay organized, manage your tasks, and increase your productivity. 2. Discuss popular apps for note-taking, task management, project collaboration, and time tracking. 3. Highlight lesser-known productivity apps that offer unique features to streamline your workflow. 3. Online security. 1. Share essential tips for online security, such as creating strong and unique passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and regularly updating your software. 2. Discuss the importance of using a virtual private network, VPN, to protect your online activities and maintain your privacy. 3. Recommend security apps and browser extensions that can help detect and block malicious websites and phishing attempts. Digital wellness. 1. Discuss strategies for maintaining a healthy tech life balance, such as setting device usage limits, enabling Do Not Disturb mode, and practicing digital detoxes. 2. Share tips for reducing screen time, managing notifications, and establishing healthy boundaries with technology. Versus smart home integration. 1. Introduce ways to make your home smarter and more convenient through the integration of smart devices. 2. Discuss tips for setting up voice-controlled assistants, automating routines, and optimizing energy consumption with smart home technologies. Troubleshooting tips. 1. Share troubleshooting tips for common tech issues, such as fixing slow performance, resolving connectivity problems, and dealing with software glitches. 2. Discuss useful resources, forums, and online communities where users can find solutions to their tech-related problems. We hope you found these tech tips and tricks helpful for optimizing your everyday life. From smartphone hacks to productivity apps and online security, these tips will help you make the most of your technology. Don't forget to share your favorite tech tips in the comments section below, and if you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Throughout the video, provide step-by-step instructions, visual demonstrations, and recommend specific apps, tools, or settings to support the tips and tricks shared. Encourage viewers to try out the tips and share their experiences in the comments section.